went up and it's not working. Hence the flood. Three-quarter horsepower. I have a backup one right there, and then I have a battery one right there. Those two could not keep up with the rain the other day. Not like this three-quarter horsepower one. This guy's barely a year old. Look at it again. Look, he went up. It's clicking, no working. Thanks a lot, Wayne. I had the entire floor ripped out. Look. Dehumidifiers, blowers everywhere. My entire floor gone. Into this room here. Another dehumidifier. Closets. Closets. That's just the mechanical room and another room that leads to the garage. Here's the main hallway. All the flooring ripped out. Luckily my tile and my washroom can stay. My bedroom. Everything ripped out. Had to rip out drywall. Look at it. Another dehumidifier. All the air blowers in every corner circulating the air. My own little man cave. All the way into underneath the stairs. All out. This was carpet. All of it's gone. My daughter's room. All of it. I just put in this damn floor. Baseboards new, everything. All gone. Look at that. Gotta replace the drywall. Thank you very much, Wayne. Signing off, December 11th.
So just installed this Wayne 3rd of horsepower sump in my basement. Older one here was getting loud. Also, you know, the float switch here, you know, was not always turning it back off, so it was staying on. Also bought a water sensor here. Works via Wi-Fi. You know, has the bottom connectors here. Once they make contact with water, it'll make a ring noise or it'll alert your phone. It's nice to have. Some people go with battery backup, but you'll hear this in a minute, and it is quiet. So far, so good. So it's important to have this.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
This is take 2. Everything is flooded. Everything is flooded. Everything is flooded. Why? Well, because my pump is working, but it's not pumping over the wall. It's pumping back to my neighbor's house. And where does the water come back? This way. This way.
Look at it coming down.